In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoho Mail password. Whether you're just looking to update it for security purposes, or you've recently forgotten and regained access, changing your password regularly is always a good practice. Let's get started and walk you through this process step by step to ensure that your account stays secure and protected. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Zoho's website. If you're not quite sure which link to click on, look for the one with zoho.com in its URL. This is the official site, and it's critical to log in here to ensure you're dealing with trustworthy interfaces. Once there, if you're already a Zoho user, you'll need to log in using your existing credentials. If you're new to Zoho, you'll have the option to sign up and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho dashboard. Here, you'll want to navigate to Zoho Mail. This is the service where we'll be making the changes. You'll usually see this option amid the various services and tools Zoho offers. Next, focus on the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click on it, and you'll have a menu drop down. From here, select My Account. This will take you directly to your Zoho account settings page, where you can manage your personal information and security. On the Zoho Accounts page, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a section labeled Security. Click on it to go to the security settings. This is where we'll handle the password change. Within the security section, look for Password. You should see an option that says Change Password. Clicking on this will open the Password Change interface. Now, before you can set your new password, you'll need to enter your current password. This step is crucial as it verifies that it's really you making this change. Take a moment to ensure you type your current password correctly. After that, you'll enter your new password. Remember to choose something secure, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and something you can remember. Once you've picked a strong new password, you'll need to re-enter it in the designated field to confirm that you didn't mistype it the first time. Finally, click on Change Password to finalize the process. And there you have it. Your Zoho Mail password is now updated. Regularly updating your password is a vital part of maintaining your online security, and I hope this guide made that process a bit easier for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and secure online.